Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable Mods Opera GX. First of all, open up the Opera GX browser. Once you get into its browser, click on the settings icon from the left-hand side dashboard. After that, scroll down and click on Manage Mods from Modding Support. Now you can install any of the following mods into your system. You can enable or disable all of the mods from here just by clicking on the switch icon. Then explore the various built-in features, such as the GX Player for managing your gaming streams, the GX Design customization options, and access to Twitch integration, among others. Opera GX allows you to add and customize sidebar apps like Messengers, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram. The GX Player is designed for gamers, allowing you to control your music or live streaming platforms while you browse. You can enable it from the GX corner. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.